Welcome to Help to Love Mindful Hacks, your trusted, curated source for self-mastery and self-improvement tips to help you become happier and more productive in your truth, to actually become your higher version of self. Here is your host and happiness and productivity specialist, E.L. Brooks.
Top 3 benefits of grounding. The one thing we all are guaranteed in life is that we all have the same ultimate faith and destiny. We're all going to punch that human time clock and check out of our human containers. So at some point, we're all going to die. Well, my quest is to prolong the inevitable through health education, to implement the things in my life that have been scientifically proven to add both quality and longevity to life. And one of those things is grounding, or earthing as some people like to refer to it as. Sadhguru asked renowned Indian artist M.F. Husain, who lived to be nearly 100 years old before his passing, what his secret recipe to longevity was. And he said, eat less and walk barefoot. He said that our bodies are not integrated enough, so we need to walk barefoot to align and integrate. So what did he mean by that? Well, there are 3 major benefits from grounding. Dr. Sinatra says that grounding is like taking a handful of antioxidants and consuming them through your feet. He said that grounding is like vitamin G because the earth is endowed with tons of electrons that get absorbed into our bodies through our feet. So the top 3 benefits of grounding is number 1, it reduces inflammation, which helps to reduce heart disease, which is not really about high cholesterol. It's more about inflammatory markers, much like high blood pressure and much like weight gain, because grounding helps to thin the blood through negatively charged ions. The earth is struck by lightning all the time, creating these ions, so when we walk the earth, we're actually getting these negatively charged ions that pull information out of our bodies. Number 2 is it increases cellular energy. We're made up of trillions of cells, and within each cell, we have our DNA, and those are genes that we're born with. We can't change those genes, but we can change the expression of those genes through epigenetics. Because inside your cell, you have what is called mitochondria, which is referred to as the power plant of your cell. Your mitochondria produces ATP, otherwise known as adenosine triphosphate. And that's what life is all about. It's our life force. Our ATP is our chi. It's our life force energy. And a lot of disease is linked to low and reduced cellular energy. Number 3, it prevents diseases. Research has shown that grounding helps to prevent illnesses. In fact, by wearing shoes every day, blocking this natural transfer of ions, we're creating what is known as electron deficiency syndrome, which is linked to a lot of the rise in the modern illnesses. So the 3 ways to ground is number 1, walking on a patch of grass or dirt. Number 2 is walking on the beach, which is the most powerful because of the sun energy and the water energy. And number 3 is hugging a tree. Who would have thunk? Being a tree hugger, right? Because the tree is grounded, so it transfers the energy directly to you. So now you know. Get back in nature, walk on the beach, hug a tree. One love. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please share it. And make sure you subscribe to the Help to Love channels. Join our Facebook community, and remember, accept what is, let go of what was, and have faith in what will be. And most importantly, stay blessed, not stressed. Hashtag 500 to happiness. Hashtag 1 of 1. And remember, honor your gift and your uniqueness. One love.